Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. For today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing some taped in ear extension for you guys, and this will be my first time wearing these, first time using them, first time reviewing them, first time everything with these things. So if you're interested, keep watching. The hair I'm using today is from Eayon here, and it was sent to me in this drawstring silk bag, which I will be using to store it in after I'm done with it. This is one pack of the taped in extension I'm showing to you guys, and as you can see, it has 2 bundles wrapped up in it. I got 3 packs altogether in the bag, which means I got 6 bundles, and I will tell you guys by the end of the video how many I used for the style. The hair is very soft to the touch. I absolutely love that about it. I keep running my finger through it just because I love the way it feels. I experienced no shredding at all, which is an A in my book because if you know me, I really hate hair that shreds. The bundles are also very full, as you can see here. I don't remember the length of this hair, but I will definitely find out and leave it in the description box for you guys, so definitely check that out for more details. Because the hair has these little kinks in it, which will look very unattractive on my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and blow it out using my blow dryer, and I will link this down below also because you guys ask me about this blow dryer all the time. And this is what it looks like now after doing that. So much better. I did that for 2 of them because I'm not sure yet how many packs I will be using, so I didn't want to open all 3 packs just yet. Before coming on camera, I did wash my hair using the shampoo and the conditioner that goes with it, but it is recommended that you don't use conditioner before taped in, but my hair needs it, so sometimes you just gotta break the rules. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this here because this is what you guys have been waiting for. But before I get started, I'm gonna go ahead and add some leave-in conditioner. Another rule I'm breaking or bending here, but I have to put these things in my hair because like I said, my hair needs it and I just wash it, so I gotta put something in there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and dry it completely. Okay, so next up I'm gonna add some heat spray on my hair because I will be putting more heat on it. Now I'm gonna go over my hair using my flat iron, and I'm only gonna be doing 1 pass over each section because I'm not trying to get it silky straight. I just want to get it a little bit lighter for the hair that I'm about to install. And that is what it looks like. Now that my hair is exactly how I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and start installing my extensions. I part my hair off, leaving some out in the back just in case I want to put it up in a bun or so. I kind of wish I went up a little bit higher, but it was still enough to cover the extensions after I brush it in. As you can see here, I'm taking out thin sections, and this is what's gonna hold the taped in extension in my hair. You don't want to take it out too thick because then it's not gonna be able to stick together through your hair. So make sure if you're doing this, you take it out thin enough so they could stick onto each other. Before applying it, you want to take that piece of paper off of it that's covering the tape. I then place one on the bottom of the piece of hair that I took out and then the other one directly on top of it. Just like making a sandwich, but my hair is what's gonna be in the middle. After applying the second piece, I squeeze them in together and this is gonna hold them where I want them. It's not like dry onto your hair yet, so if you put it in and you don't like where it's at, you didn't put it in right, you could take it back off by taking one piece off at a time. Don't pull on both of them at the same time because it's not gonna come out like that. But after having it in for a day or so, it's gonna be in even more securely. So that's a definite plus with these taped in here, I must say. Love that about it. They're not gonna come out. You don't have to worry about them falling out. As long as you put them in right, they're gonna stay where you put them. Now I'm gonna go in and take out another section and add 2 more pieces of extensions there, and I must say mine may not look nice and neat, and I would advise you to go get them done, you know, at a salon or something. Ask a friend to do it. I feel like that's easier, especially if you're not used to doing your own hair yourself. But I managed to do it myself. It wasn't, you know, a big deal, but I gotta say, taped in extension is not my favorite. It's not my cup of tea, but it's something that will look good and last for a long time, especially if you get them done by a professional. But as for me, you know me already, I put these things in my hair, then I take them out a few days later because I have to change the style or whatever. So I don't see the need to go get them professionally done. I 100% recommend them though if you want to get a hairstyle that is somewhat versatile, because this you could put up in a bun and so on and so forth. I have other videos that will be posting maybe say next week or so, but it will be posting soon where I have it up in a bun. It's something that I think is a nice versatile style if you do have the time and the patience for it, or if you have the money to go get it done, you know, by a professional. It is definitely worth it. I'm gonna go ahead and put a few more in fast motion, and I'll catch you guys at the top. So far, this is what it's looking like in the back. My hair is blending in very well with the extension. It's beautiful and I love it. I'm also going to be doing the sides in fast motion, you know, so we could finish this off. But I just want to show you guys that I parted my hair just like I would if I was doing my box sprays, just to make it easier for me. And yes, it definitely did make it easier. Because I'm going for a side part, I part my hair out early enough so I could have the hair lay how I want them to fall. And here I am finishing off the very last one. Now I'm gonna fix my parting up, and I'm also gonna lay my edges using my edge control from Eack, because I want it to look, you know, really nice and look like I put some effort into it, if you know what I mean. And that completes the finished look, you guys. I am absolutely in love with this hair. I think it's really beautiful. And what I love about it so much is the fullness of it. I don't know, but for some reason, I really love big hair. It's very flexible, very bouncy. As you can see here, I just easily throw it over my shoulder. Easily put it up into a bun if I want to, or a ponytail, as you can see there. Also, I know you could see a little bit of the track in the back, but that's because I didn't brush it in. But when I brush it in, that is all gone. But yeah, it's a very beautiful hair and worth the money. Again, these taped in hair extensions I used today to create this look is from Eayon Hair, and I will link all the details for the hair and their website down in my description box just in case you guys are interested. To complete this style, I use a total of 2.5 packs. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!